Have you ever wondered about the greatest deception that will shake the world? A deception so powerful that even the strongest believers will be tested? A time of darkness, fear, and confusion, when a man will rise, claiming to be God, performing miracles, and controlling the world. He is Dajjal, the greatest fitnah ever faced by humankind. But before him, a leader will emerge, a righteous warrior who will prepare the believers for the final battle. And then, when all hope seems lost, a miraculous return will change everything. This is the complete story of Dajjal and Imam Mahdi. Stay with us till the end as we uncover the terrifying events of the end times according to Quran and Hadith. The world before Dajjal. The signs of the end are all around us. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned that before Dajjal appears, the world will be filled with injustice, corruption, and suffering. There will be wars, chaos, and destruction. People will become distant from their faith, and morality will decay. And then, during this time of darkness, a leader will rise. The coming of Imam Mahdi. Imam Mahdi, the guided one, will appear in Makkah. He will be from the lineage of the Prophet, peace be upon him, a descendant of Fatima, R.A. His name will be Muhammad ibn Abdullah, just like our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him. The people of Makkah will recognize him and pledge allegiance to him at the Kaaba, but he will not seek power or fame. Instead, he will come to restore justice in the world. Imam Mahdi will lead the Muslims against corrupt rulers, oppressive systems, and those who spread falsehood. He will bring back the true teachings of Islam and prepare the believers for the biggest challenge, the arrival of Dajjal. And then, it will happen. The rise of Dajjal, the great deceiver. From the lands of Khorasan, modern-day Iran, Afghanistan region, a man will rise. He will be a master deceiver, a liar, a sorcerer. He is Al-Masih ad-Dajjal, the false Messiah. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave a terrifying description of Dajjal. One-eyed, his right eye will be blinded like a dried grape, while his left eye will shine like a star. Huge in size, he will be massive and powerful. Curly hair, his hair will be thick and twisted, a liar with supernatural abilities. Kafir will be written on his forehead, but only true believers will be able to read it. But the most dangerous thing about Dajjal is not his appearance. It's his deception. Dajjal will travel the entire world in just 40 days. His first day will be as long as a year, his second as long as a month, and his third as long as a week. He will claim to be a prophet. Then, he will declare himself as God. He will show fake miracles. He will bring rain to dry lands. He will grow crops instantly. He will raise the dead through illusion and trickery. He will control food and water. Anyone who believes in him will be given wealth and prosperity. But those who reject him will suffer hunger and persecution. He will travel everywhere, except Makkah and Medina, because angels will guard them. The world will be in complete turmoil, and then the final battle will begin. The war between Imam Mahdi and Dajjal. Imam Mahdi and his army will confront Dajjal. A great battle will take place between truth and falsehood. Dajjal's army will be huge, including 70,000 Jewish followers from Isfahan, Iran, dressed in cloaks. The believers will fight bravely, but Dajjal's powers will cause great destruction. It will seem like all hope is lost. And then, a miracle will happen. What happens next? After Dajjal's death, a time of peace and justice will come. Imam Mahdi will complete his mission, and Islam will spread across the world. But this is not the end, because the final signs of Qiyamah, Judgment Day, will follow, and soon, the earth itself will witness the greatest and final destruction. Are you ready for that day? Have you prepared your faith for the ultimate test? Stay strong in Iman and seek refuge in Allah from the trials of Dajjal. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min fitnatil Masihid Dajjal. O Allah, I seek refuge in you from the trial of Dajjal. If you found this video beneficial, share it with others so they can also prepare for these times. Like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful Islamic content. May Allah protect us all. Ameen.